Well, I'm back with another new cookie recipe. As I told you, today's healthy recipe is whole wheat jaggery cookie. So we don't need to waste our time, and come on, let's start with the recipe. And I will give you what are the ingredients, the amount, and all that. So I hope you're watching, and please send me the pictures of all the cookies that you make, and into my WhatsApp number 989-513-2177. I'm Sushila. So let's start with the new recipe today, and we are coming with a lot of exciting cookies in the coming days. Every alternate days I'll be coming with a new recipe of cookies. So here I am. We are taking ghee, 1/4 cup of ghee, real cow's milk, the ghee made from milk, cow's milk, 1/4 cup, that is 37.5 grams. And then we have jaggery powdered jaggery, and that is 60 grams of jaggery. And you have 1 tablespoon of water, 75 grams of whole wheat flour atta, 75 grams. And then we have semolina rava. This is we have rava is 20 grams, 1/8 cup. And then we have baking powder, that is 1/4 teaspoon. Baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. Then we have a pinch of salt and a pinch of cardamom powder, a little bit, just a little bit for flavor. Okay. And then we have sesame seeds. That is 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Ella, in Malayalam it's ella. Okay, so let's start. Now we are going to just adjust the camera. I hope you can see. So we have a pan here. We are going to drop in the ghee. Okay. Drop in the ghee, and then we'll just heat up the ghee. I'm going to heat the ghee. While it's getting heated, I'll drop in the jaggery, jaggery, and then after it gets a little warm and heated up properly, I'll put 1 tablespoon of water, so that all the lumps and all they are melted. Okay, so I'll be back just now after heating it, and I'll show you. I have the ghee melted, see, it's melted. I'll drop in the jaggery and then put it on the flame, low flame, and see to it that it's all melted, all the jaggery lumps. So while the jaggery is melting, I'll drop in the wheat flour, whole wheat flour. Half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. After mixing everything, only you should add the baking soda. Baking soda is a raising agent which you have to drop in the end. It rises more with baking soda. And then we drop in the Rava, the semolina. We'll drop in the sesame seeds. So all the jaggery is melted. We'll let it cool for some time. We have to mix it with the jaggery and the ghee. You can add a pinch of salt. Then we add a pinch of cardamom. It's a very healthy cookie. I'll just let the jaggery cool down for a few seconds. I've switched off the fan to let it cool. Now it's cool, so I'll drop in the jaggery and the ghee. And mix it well. Now I'll drop in the baking soda. That is half a teaspoon. And meanwhile, I'll just switch on my oven. With both the rods and fan on. Now use your hands now. Use your fingers, don't use your palm. So you just keep it for, normally you keep it in the fridge for 20 minutes because the semolina gets gets swollen actually when you soak it semolina. So it's a little dry. I'll add half a tablespoon of water. Because we need to soak the rava. We'll wait for, make a small bowl. We'll wait for around 5 minutes for it to get soaked. This is a heavy pan that I have for baking. If yours is not heavy, use a butter paper and then make balls and place it there, okay? So we'll wait for 5 minutes, and Sunday I'll be around with a quick chocolate chip cookie, which is very simple, very easy to make, and even the kids can make it. And another chocolate fill cookie. I think this is fine now. We'll make small balls. If you want, you can make big ones or small ones. The sesame seeds gives a additional a good flavor. Or you can also add nuts if you want for this whole wheat cookie. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes and bake it at 180 degree for 12 to 15 minutes. That would do. It's a healthy cookie. can use a knife and make a cut here, just 2 cuts. Can you see? Or you can use a fork to just press it and make some marks on it. So your healthy whole wheat cookie is ready to bake. It's because it's Jaggery, Sharkara. It's a healthy cookie which you can try. I hope you all had tried the oats cookie, the chocolate cookie, and the red velvet cookie. So I'll be back with more exciting cookies. Very simple and very easy recipes which anybody can try at home. So temperature of each oven varies. So mine, I can bake it at 140 degree. Some ovens are 180. So you just check and then bake it according to your temperature. Each brand and each oven is different. So mine is Morphy Richard 60 liter. So my 140 is equivalent to 180 for other ovens, so you can do that. Just check when you can bake once and then rectify it for the next set of cookies that you bake. So it's ready and I'm going to place it in the oven. So don't forget you need you need both the rods on, the fan on. If it's your normal oven, 180 degree, and 12 to 15 minutes is enough to bake the cookies. Hi Anna, hi Deepa. Hi Renu, Shirley. Thank you for coming online and watching. It's good to see you all. Let's hope you'll come again for the next cookie, that is day after. Every alternate days I'll be coming.